2015 in Cabo, down in Mexico.
You found that in Mexico?
Well, I bought it from an ex-girlfriend, and it was a beater. It was a dirt bike, and so I found all of the parts on eBay because I was having to import everything from the States, from UK, from Australia, from India, and it took about a year to just get all the parts.
You see, you're in Mexico doing this.
I'm in Mexico doing this.
Fantastic.
Meanwhile, I'm working with a paint job, with a paint, outfit, doing the tank, doing the headlights, doing the fenders. So I got all this from Lowbrow. This is Lowbrow.
Okay.
This is from Germany. And then everything else is, well, this came from, those guys are no longer around. Down over on the east side of the country, I forget their name.
Okay.
A lot of these parts came from guys like Steady. Is it Steady?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This I built. I fabricated this piece here, and made it so this could link up. And then I fabricated the battery case, and put these bungs on myself. And did all of this this fabrication.
You made those struts?
Yeah, I made these struts.
Oh,
Yeah,
there you go.
yeah. And I had I bought a polishing machine from one of those automotive shops, and I polished everything myself.
Wow.
And all by hand.
This is nice. That's a nice.
Yeah, those are replica. I forget the.
Pretty nice levers.
Yeah.
I like those. I like the fact that you painted the headlight to match the tanks. I think that is cool.
Yeah.
It is a good looking bike.
Yeah, the painter I had, he did a great job down
I mean, for plain white, that is gorgeous plain white.
Yeah. I polished all of this. I fabbed these guys right here, these little bungs.
Oh yeah, very pretty.
Cleaned up, got all stainless steel hardware everywhere I could get stainless steel hardware. That's what I used. And then I found the 1969 Kansas plate with. So this came chromed. I got this guy chromed. I mean, it was already chromed.
The brake drum. Okay.
Yeah, when I got the rim, it was chromed.
And you got a 69 Kansas plate on it. Fantastic.
And I chromed this part, and I chromed these guys right here. Ooh, that's loose.
Well, I'll check that.
Yeah, these guys I chromed here in Phoenix.
All right. Okay, so now tell me the story of the plate. You can run a 69 plate?
No, it's not.
Just showing, but you got a plate in the back.
I do. The tags aren't current. That's the Vermont. So I did it in 16. So I don't have current plates on it.
Okay, now will you put the Arizona plate on the back side?
I will. Yeah.
Leaving the Kansas plate on the.
Correct. Yeah.
And what John Law pulls you over?
Yes, exactly.
There it is.
It's right there.
I'll be darned.
And I got every piece of brass that I could, solid brass. I have this drain. I finally went ahead and got the drain for
I saw that.
for that guy.
All right.
Yeah.
It's right on the bottom through it.
So if I'm diligent about draining it every time, well, actually I just got it, but there's no issues. It never clogs up.
No, that's a premier carb on it.
Yeah, if you never leave fuel in it, you'll never have the problem that I'm having now. But so, and I think I got old gas.
And so I wired it.
You wired this bike, yeah.
This looks good.
Yeah, that's
I did a good job on that. And you made the battery mount, so we had a battery in it.
Correct.
And I just wired the rest of the bike.
That's right. Yeah, I forgot I fabricated this plate. I got this.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to tap this guy right here to work with the strut.
Now, when you bought it, was it a hardtail or did you?
No, it was a regular bike.
Okay, so you put the hardtail on.
I put the hardtail on.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, cool.
So
all right.
Came all the way from Cabo. It was a rescue bike.
You know what? My little Triumph over there was a rescue bike.
Is that right? Yeah.
It was so beat up and so horrible that I bought it out of sympathy. Just,
That's the same 500, isn't it?
that's the little 500.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, matter of fact, if you look at this picture, I think, yeah, this is what it looked like when I bought it. Now, isn't that sad?
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna have to find my picture of that if I can find it.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
So we did sympathy buys.
Yeah, we did. Pretty much. You either do that with a bike or you do it with a woman.
Guess which one's less trouble?
You got it.
Oh my God! All right. Well, I'm just getting ready to finish this one up, and then I'm going to do a quick. I think the Beezer is going to be go through the carbs and get it out of here. I don't see a big problem with that.
Yeah.
I wired that one for him.
Okay.
And then we'll put yours up there.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to take a week or 3.
No problem. I remember we did a wiring diagram for this. I still
Okay.
have it. You drew it up.
Well, it's probably one in the headlight. I leave one in the headlight too.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's probably
cool.
probably in there. I'll check.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right. I'll put it.